friends, and welcome to my channel. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium. It was with Norvina, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and this is my box here. And this is the card here, and this is the variation right here. And so I thought I would just quickly share with you guys. I can't even talk. What I got. So I did pick my, I think I picked two things. I did choose the ABH Norvina Volume 3 because I just love the packaging. I love the colors in it. I just think that they're super pretty. And I will open it here in a minute and show you guys. But I did receive that. I believe that retails for $60. So that's the first thing I got. It says here the Norvina, expanding the Norvina collection. Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pigment Volume 3 is a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe size high performance shades with a stunning autumn themed color story. Get even more curated shades with this limited edition palette. And again, it retails for $60. So the next thing that I did get and I picked, I do recall, I think it was this that I picked, was the Anastasia Hydrating Oil. And it retails for $45. It says Hydrating Oil by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweight blend of Mediterranean botanical extracts that deliver antioxidants and nourishing hydration to the skin. The complexion boosting facial oil leaves you with glowing, radiant skin, softened lines, and improved tone and texture. So I did pick this. I will take it out the box and show you guys afterwards. Next item, I believe I didn't pick any of these other items. I was hoping to get the bronzer because I have been wanting that since it ever came out. But I did not, unfortunately. I did get a loose highlighter. This is in the color Vegas. It does say here, loose highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a shimmering loose highlighter powder with highly reflective iridescent pearls that deliver an intense sparkly payoff. The easy to blend formula has a soft velvety texture and leaves you with a silky finish. Like a loose powder version of ABH's Glow Kits, the finely milled lightweight formula allows for buildable coverage. You can create everything from subtle luminosity to dramatic high reflective looks. So I'm really excited to have this. I have seen these. They are nice. I have seen them at, Ulta and all of that. The next thing that I received was the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel. I do have this in the color Chocolate, which should match my brows, I would say. I do have a mini in the clear. I really do like the Anastasia Brow Gel, and I would have loved it in a clear as well, but that's okay. I do love her original brow gel, so I probably will enjoy this as well. It does say here, Tinted Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweight gel that sets brows with a flexible hold and tinted matte finish. The fully pigmented formula features light reflecting pearls that create natural looking dimension to your finished brow look and retails for $22. I don't know if I told you guys, but the highlighter retails for $25. So yeah, I'm glad to have that. Right, the next thing that I got in my box was the Dewy Set Mist and Spray. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce. It says Dewy Set Mist Spray by Anastasia is a coconut vanilla scented setting spray that seamlessly blends products together as it sets makeup, leaving the complexion with a dewy, never oily, radiant finish. This gentle mist is ideal for those with dry skin or those who want to achieve the ultimate dewy glow. Excuse me, I cannot talk. It retails for $26. I am excited to get this in a full size. I did buy a small one sometime back, probably earlier this year. I have yet to try it. I bought it at Ulta, And so I'm excited for that. Last thing I got in my box is the Anastasia false lashes. These are in the style, does it say lengthy right there? And it says here, lengthy is a set of full stripped synthetic lashes with major length and dramatic volume. False lashes are premium quality lashes that provide comfortable wear and deliver maximum impact. These lightweight, high quality lashes are easy to apply and adhere to the lash line in seconds. Adds volume, length, and thickness to your lash with ease, making mascara optional. No matter your style, these lashes remain undetectable, blending in with your natural lash line. Wear them individually or stack them until you reach your achieved eye look. Each synthetic set provides up to 20 wears. And I never thought about stacking lashes. Have any of you guys ever tried doing that, like putting 2 pairs of lashes on at one time? I don't know. I've never seen anybody do that. That's interesting. But they do retail for $12. So overall, I was very, very happy with this box. I did get this box just because of the Anastasia Takeover. And right there is a buy one, get one 50% off coupon that you could use on the ABH website, I believe. And so, yeah, I am really happy with this. It did retail for $35 plus tax, so $37 and some change. I think it was well worth it. For what I got. If I had to change anything, I would have loved, instead of the lashes, I would have loved, or the brow gel, I would have loved to get the bronzer, because like I said, the bronzer is really pretty and I have been wanting that for so long, but that's okay. Sometimes they do have them at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I've seen them there and I should have picked it up when I saw it, but I did not, and it was very inexpensive. I should have picked it up, but if I do see it again, I will. Because it is a beautiful bronzer. So yeah, I'm going to quickly take everything out of the box and then I'll show you guys each thing. Okay, so this is everything I got. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. This is everything that I got. I took it out the box. And sorry about the reflection, but this is the Dewy Setting Mist. Really nice. Excited about that. That is the oil right there. It is a full size. This originally retails for $45, so I'm very happy with that. You saw the lashes. Here is the highlighter. It's a really pretty, you could see kind of goldish color. I think that's going to be beautiful. Packaging's gorgeous. This is, sorry about the reflection. This is the tinted brow gel. You could see the color there. I think it would be a good match for me. My brows are dark, although my hair is not. And then obviously you guys have seen the palette. What the palette looks like, it's absolutely gorgeous, bright, fun pops of color. I have been really enjoying a lot of bright colors lately, more than I ever have before. So I definitely wanted this one. I saw the #1 as well, but I just have a lot of those color tones in my collection, and this one I do as well, but I just felt like this is the one that was speaking to me, and I wanted to have this one. So I'm super excited. I will be doing some swatches and looks and things like that with this palette. I don't know if I'll do them on my channel, but I will, if I do a look, I will post them on my Instagram, which I have been doing and just been enjoying. But yeah, so this is the palette. It's super pretty. I'm super excited to have it. And yeah, so that's everything that I got. I'm really happy with it. I think I'm going to be taking a break from Boxycharm for a little while. I did this one because I knew that they were doing the takeover. But I just have too much right now in my collection and I just need to take a break. So I'm going to be doing that here following. And I've had it for quite some time, but I just have a lot of stuff in my collection. A lot that I need to still play through, things I haven't touched. So because of that, I'm just going to stop for a little while. I may rejoin around the holidays or something, but for right now, I'm pretty content with what I have. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it and you would like to help my channel, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. But if you would like to support my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you to all those that have continued to support me and watch my videos. I really, really do appreciate it. But that's going to complete this video for today. I hope you guys have a very blessed day, and hopefully I see you in a next one. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.